This is the famous Mark, legend, doing a bit of welding here. Don't look at the bright light, people, yeah? Look at this legend at work. We're just smoothing off, plating up the rear window on the combi van tailgate. Check this out, guys. This is night time and we're still out here. It's about 7 o'clock, 20 past 7. We don't give a monkeys. Ain't no stopping us now, baby. Number plate recess will soon be smoothed, along with, you guys can't see this because it's a little bit hard because of the light conditions. Wiper and the washer jet will be smoothed, retaining the boot lock. Let's have a look at Batman's welding. A little bit of filler work there. Come on, Batman, the public's waiting. Oh, I think Batman's going to be sacked in a minute. God, look at him, legend.
When you start blowing the tools in here. There's a rod in it.
Looks like a sparkler, mate. Even legends have difficult days. Can you see it catching, people? Are we going to get something? No fireworks. People, I apologise. Oh, here we go. Legend at work. So yeah, check back soon for more progress.